Is dairy farming really a profitable enterprise? And yes, the question must always be answered. Is it really a profitable enterprise? Why should we have cows on our farms and focus, for example, only on milk? We talk about a cow delivering a calf every year to be profitable. How can we be deliberate to ensure that that is the rule of the game on our farms? If we are not able to focus on that and put in place measures that ensure that, we will gamble and we will only chance into whatever resources we get from our dairy farms. And that becomes the reason why we shall be crying, because if we underutilize our factories, which are cows, we definitely will not reap the total benefits that would have been achieved from them. We will run into losses and we will be disillusioned. We are on this platform telling you, be deliberate and you will definitely create wealth through dairy and beef farming. You dare think and act outside the box and you will reap more than what others are reaping. You don't need to be frustrated when you are a farmer. You need to know that you own as many factories as the many cows that you have. Just fine-tune each one of them. Be deliberate about it. Know what you must do and make sure you don't commit errors that you should not commit, and you should not omit what you must commit. And always have a clear path and a clear way of doing things on your farm. And I can tell you, when everybody is crying, you will be smiling. It will take an initiative. It will take a struggle. It will take deliberate moves. But once you are there, you are there. If you ignore the right steps that you must take your animals through to become a good factory of manufacturing milk, manufacturing calves, manufacturing meat, manufacturing growth, and manufacturing cow dung, and you wait until the animal is completely ready for production, is when you now want to fine-tune the system, chances are very, very high that you will be too late. In the process of creating these animals that will give you profitability, you need to start from day one. And that process must start early to be able to enjoy the benefits. You don't neglect your systems until you are at a stage of production, is when you want to start thinking about making them better producers. The process does not start from there.